Hello, and welcome back to the back of the pack. So this is week 13 and second week of recovery. I think the theme this week is bouncing back. So woke up this morning, fresh legs, went for an easy run, although I guess technically that's next week's recap. But I had a good time over the last week. It was, like I said, the second week in a recovery period, completing the transition from the maintenance phase, now starting the 50K training, which will lead up to a marathon in July, in August. And although I did a half marathon over the weekend, it was really a low mileage week. The half marathon itself was an organized club event. I'd say it's more of a club fun run rather than a race. Maybe that was because of the COVID protocols where everybody started separated. So it was like a 6-hour phase start to get the several hundred runners through the process. There was some other, you interacted with other runners on the course, but in general, you were kind of out there on your own, running your pace. It did have an aid station, which was nice, so you didn't have to carry too much. Although I will say that I got dehydrated. I didn't hydrate enough during the event and was sore from it and shouldn't have been because there was almost no elevation gain, and it was the mileage was consistent with my training program, so I was surprised that I actually felt a little sore on Sunday. But I think mostly it was, I didn't really pay much attention to hydration and calorie intake during the event and was pretty careless with that. So, yeah, another reminder that all of that actually does make a big difference. Okay, coming up this week, like I said, is just kind of get back in the rhythm, get the mileage back up into the mid-20s, get everything clicking on cylinders again. Going to incorporate some new training elements in that. I'll be doing a different variation of speed work or hill work. I've got to look at my program to see what it is. I do have a few more standalone videos in the pipeline. A couple recapping the race event over the weekend, and then I also am mapping out the video that kind of comes out with a grand plan. Here's what we're going to do over the course, basically, of the rest of the calendar year. Talk a little bit about the type of building blocks that are embedded into the plan, as well as the roadmap for the plan to get up to a trail marathon in late summer, and then leading into the trail 50-miler at the end of the year. So please be on the lookout for that. And until then, I hope you're enjoying your runs, and I look forward to welcoming you back to the back of the pack next time.